Boeing has successfully completed the first flight of the fifth and final engineering manufacturing development, EMD T-7A Red Hawk aircraft, serial number 21 to 7005, from its production site in St. Louis, Missouri. This milestone marks a key step toward the low-rate initial production, LRIP phase, set for 2025, and the Milestone C decision, which is critical for the aircraft's future. The T-7A Red Hawk is designed to replace the aging T-38 Talon aircraft currently used by the U.S. Air Force. Although the program faced delays due to technical challenges, including issues with the ejection seat and instability at high angles of attack, Boeing remains focused on meeting the Air Force's requirements. The addition of the final EMD aircraft to the test fleet at Edwards Air Force Base will allow for further testing of the aircraft's systems and performance, ensuring its readiness for future training missions. Lieutenant Colonel Shea Brantigan, commander of the 416th Flight Test Squadron, highlighted the T-7's transformative role in pilot training, offering advanced systems that will help prepare pilots for next-generation combat platforms. Boeing is already working on constructing a new production line at its St. Louis facility to ensure it can meet delivery timelines. The U.S. Air Force plans to make the Milestone C decision by February 2025, with the first deliveries of the T-7A scheduled for December 2025, 2 years later than initially planned. The T-7A Red Hawk is part of the $9.2 billion TX program, which includes the acquisition of 351 aircraft, 46 simulators, and support systems. The T-7A features advanced avionics, integrated simulation systems, and a GE F404 GE103 engine that delivers 17,200 pounds of thrust. Its modular design allows for quick upgrades and simplified maintenance, making it a highly cost-effective solution for modern pilot training. The aircraft is built to simulate complex combat scenarios, preparing pilots for the demands of fifth-generation fighters like the F-35. Additionally, the T-7A Red Hawk is a contender for the U.S. Navy's Undergraduate Jet Training System, UJTS program, which seeks to replace the aging T-45 Goshawk. However, the T-7A is facing competition from other aircraft like the Lockheed Martin KIT-50 and Leonardo M-346N. The Navy's decision will depend on its ability to meet key requirements, such as Field Carrier Landing Practice, FCLP, essential for carrier-based operations. The T-7A Red Hawk is also a tribute to the Tuskegee Airmen, the African-American pilots of World War II who flew P-51 Mustangs with distinctive red tails. The aircraft was renamed in honor of their legacy, ensuring that their story continues to inspire future generations of pilots. Developed as part of the U.S. Air Force's TX program, the T-7A aims to replace the T-38 Talon, which has been in service since the 1960s. After the initial prototype's first flight in 2016, Boeing and Saab, who won the contract in 2018, have been working to refine the aircraft. Despite delays, Boeing delivered the first T-7A to the U.S. Air Force in September 2023. With the LRIP decision expected in 2025, the T-7A is set to play a critical role in pilot training for years to come. With its advanced systems, speed, maneuverability, and durability, the T-7A Red Hawk is poised to revolutionize how military pilots are trained, shaping the future of aviation and preparing the next generation of pilots for the challenges of modern combat.